Oh, well, it's 8 a.m. here, and I'm listening to the local forecast. Plays great 60s music I remember growing up on, riding the school bus to 8th grade and all through high school, junior college. So it's bringing back some grooving memories. Good memories. Better than what's going on today, as for damn sure. Anyway, forecast is for rain. The weather forecast on the internet says 70% chance. And local forecast here says possible rain sometime after 2 p.m. and then quitting into the evening. So we're going to find out what our first desert rainfall is going to be like. It's the first rain we'll have experienced in over a month traveling on this trip. So I chose, I think, a really good spot. There's a deep ravine over by us, but that's going to take a whole lot of water to get anything in there. So we'll just wait and see. Maybe this will be a bust, maybe it'll be a pleasant rainfall, keep the dust down. I've got my fireplace over here covered with some of that ripped up tent I salvaged, and we're just gonna hang out and wait. You know, if it rains, we'll have a nice pleasant time inside the RV. Girls are out here wrestling and playing, and it's just a very still, quiet morning. You can feel a little bit of chill in the very, very light breeze if you just relax and let yourself sense it. So yeah, right now it looks like really clouds I'm used to up in the northwest. Maybe we'll get a little dampness out of these, but there's nothing like thunder clouds or dark, ominous clouds that are just gonna dump on you. So, girls, what are you doing? They're over here having a blast. Boy, if it wasn't for both of them, I don't think I could wear them out individually. So, oh gosh, yeah. Well, we're gonna check in here later when it starts raining and let you guys know what the first rain that we experience in the desert this season is like. It'll be nice to keep the dust down, but these dogs will track in a whole lot of mud if it really gets bad. So, hang in there. We'll be back later today. It's supposed to start raining sometime after 2 p.m. So, we'll just wait and see. I hope you guys are enjoying our videos, and we'll watch other videos on our channel. If you go back and explore it, you'll find a lot of things. And it's important. Check them out, because the way things are changing, if you go there to see them, they might not be there. Or they might be destroyed or totally different than when I saw them. So, see what you can and find out what you missed if you got there too late in this crazy society. Okay, we'll touch with you later. Oh, this local station here for Quartzite has really good music. 50s, 60s vibe. Music I grew up on. Good music. That'll last the test of time. So, we're just chilling out here. Got some Frank Sinatra on. And some of the young, good 60s music playing. And, it's real pleasant. Oh well, hey, where are you going there, kid? I got somebody else who wants to share the seat with me. Okay, guys, come on. Oh, well, get up here. Get up here. Come on. There. And the things are getting kind of crowded here. Ember likes to lay behind me. Spirit wants to lay on my lap. Huh? Isn't that right, Spirit? Oh, I'll tell you one thing I've noticed is that all this dust, you breathe it in, you taste it, it kind of dulls your taste buds, I think. And everything tastes like you just walked behind a side-by-side going down a very dusty road. But, oh well. Anyway, we're just going to hang out here, maybe have some lunch here later on, and wait for when the rain starts and see what happens. So, the girls will be wore out by then and just want to be inside and sleep during the rain, which is fine with me. So, maybe we'll take an afternoon rain nap. Anyway, hang in there, guys. This is going to be an interesting video, I think. Well, check-in. It's 10:30, and it finally started to sprinkle. And looking outside, it's enough so far just to dampen everything, just to see that they're damp, they're wet, hold down the dust. Not really rain, it's just sprinkles, what I call sprinkles. Turned on the generator, that might be what you can hear. Batteries got down to about 43%, lowest they've been on this whole trip because of this cloud cover we've had for a day and a half. So I decided to charge it up to 100% again. I think it's almost 75% now. So keep that going and charge it up just in case this bad weather lasts another day and a half. Hey, what are you doing there, kid? Huh? I don't know if the dogs are probably not used to having the generator going, because I haven't used it hardly ever since I've had them. So they're just wondering, you know, what's that noise, what's that vibration they're feeling through the framework of the RV. Yeah. But we're having some inside fun time. They played enough outside since early this morning, and they're looking outside wondering what's going on. There's still people slowly coming in to Quartzite, but I can still see the mountains around Quartzite, so it ain't that bad. We're just gonna sit in here and enjoy. I got the fan going for some circulation, and we'll turn on the radio, listen to the radio, or play a CD or something. Just kick back, maybe take a nap. Nothing else to do in this weather. So we'll check back with you later, okay? Well, check-in time. The little sprinkle, and that's all it was, lasted about half an hour, was enough to just wet the ground, make it look wet, and now it's dry and look like nothing's happened. And it's a nice warm breeze, and it looks clearer than before. So yeah, I think we're at the very edge of what's going through. And if you're farther north than Quartzite, you're probably seeing a lot more rain than we're going to ever get here out of this system. Just remnants, sprinkles, enough to wet down the dust for, I don't know, a few hours. But I got the generator still going. Let's see, what do we got? 86.7. So that might use up what propane I have left, because I haven't used propane at all in the past month or so, because it's been so warm. And then having two dogs sleep with you on the bed is like having two hot water bottles, you know. Not quite a 3-dog night, but a 2-dog night. Hi there, Ember. What you doing? So probably tomorrow I'll have to go get the propane tank filled up, and that'll do me for several weeks ahead. So anyway, that's the checkup here. Skies are actually lightening up. I was kind of excited about seeing a good rain, you know, like we have up in Washington State, and they're just getting flooded up there, I guess. And the rain's coming down, it's filling the rivers, it's melting the snow and the cascades, which come down and join the flooded rivers, and just, you know, pastures become oceans. So I saw it coming, and I said, I ain't staying the hell up here for another winter when it's going to be worse than the winter last winter. So thank God I got this RV, and I'm looking into getting stuff I want, so I'll be better off next time I come down here. Certainly going to get an e-bike sometime, and I've been looking for e-bike racks for one bike. Everything's sold for two. The world's created for two people, not a single individual. So it's hard trying to find something for one person, so you don't have to pay twice as much as what you really need, you know. So I found two that will fit any e-bike I choose, and it'll fit on the trailer hitch. It ain't gonna do what I want, which is swing out. I'm still trying to figure out something I can get, or some modification I can have made, so the darn thing will swing out to the left from the hitch rack, and I can easily get into my boxes on the passenger side and rear. The girls and I all wish you happy trails and woof woof, and keep watching. This adventure has just begun. We've got months to go and places on the list to check out.